All right, I'm headed over and we're going to put all the stuff I need to bring, including my clothes and some other stuff. And let's see where we go from here. I'm out of the garage and going to load up some of the stuff here. All right, I think I've got a good baseline parked right outside where I'm loading, so let's load it up. I've peeled back the tonneau cover, and I think we're ready for loading here now. I can't believe it myself, but that's it. Stuff's heavy. Some computer stuff and clothes and junk like that. Here's a baseline at 85%, 266 and 55 degrees outside. Packing every nook and cranny. This is the sub-frunk here in the Lightning. Just random junk. Okay, now I'm gonna pack the other stuff in here in the frunk. I think we're just about there. That should fit. And space underneath, I've still got a few more pieces to bring out in the morning. This should round out the frunk. I've got nothing there. And just jackets. Got my 80 amp adapter and a electron there in the door in case I run into a J1772 or a Tesla wall connector. And so essentially here's jackets. And I augmented the junk in the back. As you can see, it's not so bad. All right, got a few more little things to put in when I leave in the morning, and that's it. Let's go see how heavy this is. Truck is 98% full. A couple of things yet to go. And let's see what the scales have to say. Green across the board. This is a disclaimer, means it's not accurate for... Oh, yeah, no, this is interesting. If we look at it here from empty, it went up a little. Now I loaded it up okay. It's not up to the green, and so I guess we're good. Wouldn't it be kind of nice to actually know the actual, what it thinks the weight is instead of some general thing? No. Let's see what this does. Press and hold to reset. Okay. Negative 100 pounds. Maybe it wasn't calibrated when I got in. It said 0. I don't know. RTFM, I guess. Anyway, we're not in the red. It's a good thing. I think we're good. You know what? Doesn't matter. We're going anyway. Tonight I'm going to plug the Lightning in to my 40 amp 240 circuit. It's a J1772. I will set the departure charge limit to 95. Why? Well, here's the deal. It's a new truck. I haven't characterized it. Its GOM is decent in telling me the arrival percentage. Let me go here and here and here. All right. So this is what it says. It says I'm going to arrive at our supercharger, our EA charger in Knoxville with 32%. Yeah, that's not bad. This is proven here in the Lightning to be pretty darn accurate. Ignore all the other junk, the mile range and all that. It's been pretty good. Now I think things it does not know about is wind. And I think that the wind, of course, will affect it. I'm assuming it knows about terrain. If we look over here, we go up through the gorge and to Knoxville. So, I don't know, I would say we're pretty good shape. So we're gonna give it a shot anyway in the morning. If you like today's short little video, give me a like, and again, stay tuned to this trip. This should be of interest to you, whether you're buying a Ford Lightning or own a Ford Lightning, or any EV for that matter. I've got 5 years of experience in EVs to be able to use navigation, GOMS, all that stuff. And so far I've been pretty successful in reaching my destination without a lot of trouble. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. You don't want to miss any of the episodes coming up on the way to Wyoming and back. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.